Happy spooky season. I loved Little Red Riding Hood growing up. It's my favorite fairy tale. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a Little Red Riding Hood cocktail. Normally you would use a champagne flute for this, but I don't have one, so I'm using a martini glass. First, you're gonna pour in 1 ounce of vodka. I'm using Tito's because I lived in Austin for quite some time. Next, you're gonna add 1 ounce of amaretto. I'm using Di Serrano. Next, you add 1 ounce of a strawberry or raspberry liqueur. I'm using Chambord because I love it. Then you give it a quick stir. Next, we're gonna add a couple ounces of Prosecco, and I'm gonna show you how to open the bottle without freaking out because I had a friend who was a bottle service girl and she showed me how to do it. So you take off the cage. Then you take like the base of the neck and you brace your hand on your hip. Then you take the other hand, you grab the cork, you give it a little twist as you pull out gently. Voila. Last, we're adding 2 ounces of Prosecco on top. You don't mix after this. And now it's time to enjoy our treat. That is sweet. I like it though.